Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in this video I will be showing you how to make this cute, adorable candy Easter basket with a balloon on top. Now, if you can do me a favor and please like and subscribe, that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, you guys, we are going to get started with these boxes of candy. You can get them at Walmart, Dollar Tree, and you basically need 3, okay? You can rock with 4, but I like using 3. I like the look of it, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to just line up your boxes just like this. You want to make sure they're all going the same direction, okay? And then just flip them over. Bow, just like that. Okay, so now we're just going to tape them all together. Okay, now once we are done with that, we are going to check it out to see what it looks like and see the pretty triangle. Okay, so now you're going to need some foam. We're going to cut a block of foam in half, just like that, and I am just going to glue it on top of the other one. Boom, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to take our boxes so we can form the triangle again. And I'm just going to place the boxes right on top of the foam, just like this. And I'm going to take a knife and trace the triangle from the inside of the boxes. All right. Just like that. And you simply just cut it out. Okay, so once you cut out your triangle, you're just going to glue it to the boxes. Okay, to close it up, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the edge of the box. Now I'm trying to keep it neat so it won't spill out and make it look a hot mess. So let's see how we did. Okay, we got a little bit, but that's all right. Okay, now the corners right here, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue and do the same thing to close them together. Okay, let's do this last corner right here. Boom. All right, now just take some rubber bands to hold the boxes in place so they can dry. Okay, next we're going to prep the stuffed animal, okay? So what we're going to do is first cut off the tags. Okay, now once you've done that, I'm just going to simply wrap a bow around its neck. Boom, just like that. Okay, so now we're going to take a balloon stick kit from Dollar Tree, and we're going to rock with this little part right here. And we are going to attach it to the bottom of the stuffed animal with this tag gun. So just place it, the little piece right here, we're just going to place it on the bottom of the stuffed animal, hold it in place nice and secure. And you basically want to do like a over-under method, if you can kind of see what I'm doing. See? Just like that. And you're going to do the exact same thing all the way around the little part. Now, once you get it done all the way around, you can see how secure it is. Okay, and now we are going to use a 24-inch bubble balloon, and we're going to simply stretch it out, starting with the edges. The top and the bottom. You're going to stretch out the sides and the corners. All right. Now we're simply going to blow up the balloon and release the air. Okay, so now what we're going to do is cut the edge of the balloon. Just big enough to stick your stuffed animal. You want it too big, big enough to where you can put your stuff inside. Just like that. All right, so now I'm just going to clean up the stuffed animal just a little bit. All right, and now we're going to put everything inside of the balloon. We're going to start with this paper shred right here. You can pick this up from Dollar Tree. We're going to rock with 3 eggs with some candy inside. Okay, so what I'm going to do is tape the eggs closed because I do not want them to come open in the balloon. Okay, now I'm simply just going to put all the stuff inside. All right. Now I'm going to add a little bit of shred. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add some in the back. I think I want to add a little bit more. Okay, well, no. That's too much. That's too much. Never mind. Let me take it back out. Okay, now I'm going to add the eggs. Okay, now we are going to take the sealer and set it to number 3. And I'm simply going to seal the edge of the balloon, making sure there's no wrinkles. It's nice and smooth. That way no air will come out. Okay, now this is what it looks like, nice and smooth. You see that? Now I'm just going to cut the excess plastic. Now, I also want to mention there is another way to stuff your balloon where you do not have to cut and seal like this. Please check out my other video to see how. Okay, now all I'm going to do is blow up the balloon. And I'm also going to check to make sure no air is coming out. And I'm just shaking it up to kind of loosen up that shred. And I am going to hold it up to our box of candy just to make sure it's not too big. And releasing a little bit of the air. Okay, let me add a little bit more. I added too much. Now, please check out part 2, you guys. Part 2. Thank you.